Hey, friends of Bike Walk Dunwoody, Joe Saginaw coming at you. I'm at the end of Old Springhouse Lane looking out over toward Perimeter Business District. Guess what? Look at that lovely, beautiful bridge just laid in there. Lovely. Look at that on the concrete and everything. And look, as we pan around to this way, check it out. Here comes the on-ramp. Here comes the entrance ramp that's going to rise up there. Up there, nice gentle slope all the way up to where that bridge is. They are laying that sucker now. And they are working. We're talking about, this is like at 5:30 on a Friday afternoon here, and these crew are still working out here. Look at them busting their butt here, putting up the great work here. So yeah, this is really awesome. Looking great, guys. So hey, just another few short weeks, and we're gonna have this generational change. Big shout out to our city council members for funding this and supporting this, and let's continue to build out safe, connected places for all of our folks to move around in Dunwoody, to get to our schools, to get to our parks, to get to work, to just get around and connect without having to drive in a car. It just is so transformational. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.